Alright, good morning and welcome back to another video on the SpeedGarage channel. We got David over here. We're heading out to Pasco in Washington to pick up a GTR with one of our buddies, Jesse. So it's like a 4-hour, 3.5-hour drive. It's a 2009 GTR. Only's got like 36 or 35,000 miles. Owned by an older guy that drove it like once a week to church, or barely, just barely driving it. So it's a really good condition. I know it's 09. They say the transmission is not the best on them, but really low miles, and it was not ever launched or anything like that, as far as we know. So we're gonna head out there. We're gonna pick up a new car for the channel, and hope you guys enjoy this trip out there and back. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so we are pulling up. We're actually pulled up into Pasco. Oh, look at that GTR.
Where?
The red one.
Oh, nice. Look at that. What a coincidence, huh?
Look at that red GTR there.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, so we are pretty much, we're here. So this is Jesse, by the way.
What's up, guys?
Are you excited?
I'm excited and nervous too.
Yeah. So we are almost there, and I'm gonna show you guys this car. It's super nice, and we're just gonna stop by, fill up real quick, and probably in 10 minutes or so we should be there. And once we go for a test drive, I'll show you guys some more footage of it. But he's super excited.
Oh yeah.
He actually never even drove a GTR yet, so we're just winging it.
I'm winging it, yeah.
But
coming down
it should be fun, yeah. I'll get you guys some footage of this GTR here. Fill up this beauty.
Diesel?
The 92.
It was.
Man, I can't wait.
Dude, I'm so excited. I wanted my first reaction gonna be to it, man.
Oh, the thing is pretty quick, so I think you'll like it.
I'm literally going blind into it. I don't know what I'm looking at.
But for that money, dude.
That amount?
Cash.
I ain't complaining.
Cash, too.
Yeah. They gotta see the stat.
He's actually paying cash for this car too. This guy's a baller. But yeah, where's your cash at? We just gotta show them the cash. Watch this. I'm not even joking, you guys. Look at that stack right there.
To the special bag.
Where that?
Right there.
There it is. Cash money.
Cash money, guys.
So yeah, we're super excited about this. It should be also probably the cheapest GTR for sale right now. I'm gonna look on the website Auto Tempest and look around, but it's definitely the cheapest one. So buddy's hooking us up with this car, and should be a lot of fun. We are in the GTR right now, going for a spin. Dang. This thing pulls, huh?
Oh, this thing pulls, man. What the? That was the unexpected.
Yeah, this thing is super fast. I mean, as a cop tuner, this one I installed it like 4 years ago on or 3. I think it's stage 1 or 2, I forgot. But yeah, this thing pulls pretty good. It's super clean too. I mean, only got 36,000 miles, but
oh, yeah.
Everything inside is just, yeah, it's super nice. You liking it?
Wow, yeah, so far, yeah.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, this thing is pretty quick.
Yeah, I'm surprised the interior's in mint condition for the year.
Yeah.
Someone took care of it.
Yeah, the only thing is this windshield, I don't know if you can see right there.
Yeah.
We'll have to get it changed out. Yeah, this thing throws it to the back.
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Dang.
Man, this thing pulls good. I remember being fast, but I don't remember it being like, this is crazy fast. Well, what you think?
I like it.
Pulls good, huh?
It pulls really good.
Yeah. You know, really low miles, you know. Like,
sensitive too. like that.
Yeah,
it's tighter. Everything's
really tight. Yeah.
I've never driven GTR, so everything's new.
Doesn't steer anywhere to the left, right? Like
it's pretty good. Might need a little bit to the right, slightly.
a little to the right.
Yeah.
I've tried on another road.
Yeah.
What's the tire pressure, maybe? So for a month he said he didn't drive it, so it could be tire pressure.
That's for that 71188 now that activate.
And that was like three digits right there on the speedometer.
Wow. This thing's quick.
Yeah, it definitely pulls good. Alrighty, so this is day 2. Yesterday we came home pretty late, and I wanted to get some better footage for you guys of how the car looks and whatnot, so I figured I'll just do it today in the morning instead of last night. So he ended up picking it up. He really likes it. First time driving a GTR and then actually buying one and owning one. Clear and free. He got the title, paid cash for it. It's really, really nice. It's an 09, but it just looks amazing. Like, there's a few little things I'm going to show you guys, like the front bumper has a few rock chips and whatnot, but that ain't a big deal. We can get it painted. We got painters that can paint here, so it's not going to cost that much anyways. But the car itself, it just looks amazing. So let me guys show you some details here. So there it is. So the front end here, show you guys the little rock chips here. You can see right there. Just a little bigger one here. So pretty much the front bumper would need to get repainted. The wheels has got brand new tires on it. The wheels are in really good condition. Same with the rears. Looks really, really nice. The back end, she looks really good. So yeah, this is the car right here. Super clean, no dents, nothing. There's just one little one right there if you see it, but you can get also that fixed. So yeah, there she is. This is the new addition to the SpeedGarage channel. It's not mine, but he's gonna be always cruising with us. I'm gonna throw on that SpeedGarage banner across the windshield and make a lot of content with this car for you guys. So really nice car. My friend back in Tri-Cities, which is Pasco, hooked us up with a good deal. He got it for $33,500. He wanted a little more, but we told him because of the windshield right here. Where is it at? Kind of with the glare right there. Told him if he can give us another $500 off, that we can replace the windshield. He wanted 35, got it to 34 with the windshield 33.5. So thank you. You know who you are. We appreciate it for hooking us up. Great car, only 37,000 miles. He had it with 33 4 years ago, so he only put 1,000 miles a year roughly. So really nice car. Overall, great condition. I think it should be open. Yes. Look at the interior on this thing. Like super clean. Show you guys here. That's the passenger side right here. The rear, got some Bose speakers. Just overall, like a really, really nice car. And there's a windshield, you can see a little better right there. But so yeah, this is the new car. Really nice. So hope you guys stay tuned, because there will be a lot more videos coming up on this car. My car, I don't even know what to do with my car anymore. I thought about putting a supercharger on it, but I'm also thinking probably could sell it and upgrade to something better. I don't know, I really don't know yet. But that's the GTR right there. That's all I wanted to show you guys, the delivery, the pickup of this car. Jesse's super excited to be able to drive this car now and have it for himself, so it should be a fun car. It's got a lot of power. We did like a little pull with my car and this GTR last night. He pulls for me pretty good, so it's a fast car. And just look at it. Look how good it looks just from the rear. So yeah, make sure if you guys are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, because we got a lot more videos coming up to this on this channel. So yeah, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Hit that like button, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.